Anemia is a common blood disorder. In this condition, the number of red blood cells in the blood reduce, which makes it difficult for it to carry oxygen to the brain and other parts of the body. This leads to fatigue, dizziness, pale skin, shortness of breath, and headaches. It may also result in cold hands and feet. Deficiency of iron, vitamin B12, and folic acid leads to anemia. Loss of blood due to menstrual bleeding, wounds, peptic ulcers, or any other reason can also lead to this condition. Since lack of iron is one of the main causes of anemia, eat foods rich in iron such as oysters, beans, pulses, spinach, broccoli, kale, figs, apricots, garden cress seeds, and whole grains, and cereals like rice, oatmeal, and millets. Also make sure you include vitamin C rich foods in your diet that helps in absorption of iron. Such foods include hot red and green peppers, guavas, kiwi fruits, papaya, oranges, and strawberries. Vitamin B12 helps the body produce red blood cells, and therefore it's important to eat foods rich in this vitamin. This includes fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Red meat, soy products, low-fat milk, cheese, and eggs are also rich in vitamin B12. Apart from vitamin B12, folic acid also plays an important role in production of red blood cells. To get your dose of folic acid, eat fare like avocados, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, okra, cauliflower, squash, and carrots. With so many foods available to eat, it isn't going to be very difficult to show you a few interesting recipes which will prove useful in your condition. Garden cress seeds are a source of both iron and folic acid. We're going to make a porridge using this ingredient. Put half a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter in a pan. Put 2 teaspoons of garden cress seeds in the warm ghee and roast this for about 10 to 15 seconds. Add half a cup of water to this. Let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes and keep stirring. Add 1 cup of milk and add half a teaspoon of jaggery to this. Stir this and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Once done, pour this in a serving bowl. Garnish this with some almonds and cashew nuts. This makes for a healthy and filling breakfast option. Make sure you serve this hot. Both chicken and eggs are good for this condition. In this recipe, we're going to put the two together and make delicious chicken stuffed eggs. For this, add 1 cup of boiled and shredded chicken to a grinder. Next, add a bit of salt and pepper to it. Now we'll pulse it twice to mince it. And we leave it as it is for a while. Add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise to a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of chopped onions to this. Add some chopped coriander to this. And then add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to this. Mix these ingredients together. Now we remove the minced chicken. We add the minced chicken to this mixture. Mix the chicken well in the dressing and set it aside. Next, we take 2 hard-boiled eggs. Place them horizontally and cut them into half. Remove the egg yolk. Using a spoon, we stuff the chicken mixture in the egg white. Now we're going to seal this using a toothpick. You can dip it in a flour batter and deep fry it. However, for a healthier option, you can have it this way. It's best to avoid tea and coffee as these can interfere with iron absorption. Also avoid consuming excess fiber in your diet as it can lead to iron loss through stools. Eat well and take good care of yourself. Goodbye. Do share this video with a friend of yours who might need it the most and further that good karma. At Home Veda Nutrition, we help recommend just the right food for you. To stay connected, subscribe now. Eat well and take care.